We can learn something new every day. Let's use our imagination. Let's create and have fun.
Hello friends, we're on the topic of reduce, reuse, recycle. Today we're going to learn how to make a mask using a sock, and you're also going to need a scissor. So remember to always ask an adult for help, okay? We'll see you then.
You can use any sock that you find at home. Remember, have your parents help you with the scissors, okay? And then with the heel, keep it on your left hand, and we're going to cut the right side all the way up. So we cut this side already, and now we're going to flip this up, keeping the heel to the left. And we're going to cut a little bit, about this much, halfway. Remember, if you need help, ask a friend or an adult. Cut a little bit. And there you have it, my friends. We have a mask using a sock. And these are what we're going to put around our ears.
And this is what it looks like. You put your sock over your ears, pull it down, ta-da! And you have yourself a face mask. And remember, when making a mask, we're using our scissors. So ask an adult for help. Remember to have fun. See you guys later.
And remember to always have fun.